Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to change the dialog and tutorials hotkeys in Heroes of Might and Magic Olden era. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. From here, make sure you enter hotkeys. Then scroll down. As you can see, under dialog and tutorials, there are a few things you can actually change. There's only actually skip dialog to answer selection and skip dialog, because the others are simply locked to the specific keybinds. But as you can see, for those that are available for change, you can set up a primary and a secondary controls. I will try to set it up so I have a simpler way to control this. For example, No, I cannot. There are some controls that are simply cannot be used. Oh, but that actually works. Actually, I will reset that and simply bind this to skip dialog. And to change the skip dialog to answer section, I will go, I don't know, like this, with the equal sign. As you can see, I set up those, but of course I can change those as well. I can reset them to simply delete them. I can, of course, cancel to close out of this, but I can set them up with another button, like for example B. I think I'll set it as left shift plus B for those and simple B for this. As you can see, those can be actually reset. Of course, when you are happy with the changes you made, hit accept to save them, reset them if you aren't happy, as you can see. And I think that's about it. I'll only go through the available and unavailable options for dialogs and tutorials. There is the select answer, next dialog, skip dialog to answer section, skip dialog, skip tutorial window, previous tutorial window, and close window. And I think that's it. Once you've saved, close the menu. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to subscribe, comment and like the video.